The K18 leave-in molecular repair hair mask is all over TikTok. Hairstylists swear by it, claiming it repairs even bleached and fried hair from the inside out. But does it really work, or is it just a luxury version of conditioner? The K18 actually uses biomimetic peptides that reconnect broken keratin chains in your hair's inner structure, something that most regular masks can't do. You apply it after shampooing, and then you're just going to skip the conditioner and leave it in without rinsing. It's supposed to reverse damage in just 4 minutes. After about 2 uses, my hair started feeling softer and smoother. By the 3rd week, frizz reduced dramatically and my ends didn't look as fried. It gave my bleached strands a rebonded kind of bounce without weighing them down. My hairbrush actually glided through again, which never happens for me. Now for the flaws, it's pricey and you have to minimize other products for it to work well. The first few tries may feel underwhelming if you expect instant salon results. But if you're consistent, K18 really does deliver noticeable, deep repair, especially for chemically treated hair. It's not hype, it's science that actually shows. And that is my review of the K18 Live-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask.